Hi everybody and welcome to this status call. My name is Dim Chutsanov and I'm starting a software product company. These weekly status calls are part of my idea to make the whole process transparent. I'm uploading all this to truestory.singens.com. So if you want to follow my progress or to see idea and where I am, please visit the site. So let's now go directly on the topic about what have been done the previous week and what is my plan for this week. But of course, let's start with the previous week. Again, I work on two directions. The first one, the actual development of the code, and the second one is with the web branding and documentation. But let's first give you update about the development, and I'm happy to announce that Notifier to White actually is now submitted to the Office Store. I was able to develop it. Of course, I extract the functionality from the Notifier, the paid version, and I package it in a packet in the way Office Store will accept it, and now I'm waiting the validation process. I hope this code will approve. There are many tricky points where the notifier right can be rejected because of several things, but let's wait and see. For the notifier, I have done, of course, documentation. This is a requirement to submit something to the Office Store, and I also spent some time in intro video. So hopefully all this will be accepted. We'll see. Okay, so about another direction that I was working about, the site and web brandings, I work on the documentation side. So starting or trying to sell a product, it's very important to have good documentation. I also did one major change about my model, and originally I was thinking Notifier to be at price near 200 euro. But then I realized that the notifier and the feedbacker, what is the add-in that is coming to be developed, there are more add-ins that go in the section nice to have for the companies, not must to have. So the price should be aligned with this, that this functionality is nice to have, so it needs to be low. That's why now the price is this per tenant per year. It's lease price, and let's see what will happen. But I expect once I have this published in the store, Notifier right, to have visitors on my site, and potentially somebody might decide to buy the notifier. What about this week and my tasks, how I see my work this week? Let me zoom a little. Okay. First of all, yes, the main thing that now I'm waiting is about the results from the store. But for now I cannot do anything more, so I will focus on developing the licensing for the notifier. There is one major thing I need to do, and this is to change the logic in the validation process. The idea is once you buy a license and apply it to one installation in your tenant, all next installations get directly license paid, not license trial, and you again need to add key. I didn't explain correctly, but summarized, I need to change the licensing model. And this week I'm planning to do something that will be for the first time in my IT career, and this is to speak with potential customers and do the so-called customer validation process. So I have 3 people that I have identified that I know from my consulting business, and I'll try to arrange a meeting with them, and I'll try to ask 3 questions. First, their opinion about general issue or some challenge they have in Office 365. I will share my big idea about a tool that extract properties when you upload an image or PDF. It extract with OCR the document properties. I think this is, if I develop such add-in, it will be must-have for the companies. So I try to a little discuss with these persons the general issues with SharePoint Online and my idea with documents to properties. Then I will try to present Notifier to sell it. Of course, I don't want they to buy it, but at least I want to test myself how I present this. And finally, I will ask for potential contacts, persons who are responsible for buying software in the companies. For example, if I want to buy, sell Notifier, who will be the person that will take the decision? And next, again, I will ask for persons that can give me their opinion about challenge, issue, or problem with SharePoint Online. So this will be new activity for me, and I will focus, I will try to do it and to see the results. So this customer validation, I think it's really, really important at this point. And of course, I think it is like this because now I'm reading one book, 4 Steps to Epiphany, which actually describes why this is important, and I truly believe that I need to do it. Okay, so this was the status quo for this week. Next week, the status quo will be like a presentation. I'll try to present what I have done in the last month. I'll share my milestones and the plan for the next month. And in general, I'll share my strategy for spending the budget I have. So speak to you next week. Bye.